In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a bracelet. For this project, you will need your crochet hook, some scissors, and some yarn. To get started, we're going to grab our yarn and make a little slip knot. And once we've got our slip knot all nice and snugged up against our hook, we're going to chain. So just yarn over and pull through that loop on your hook. And I am going to be chaining 18. I'm using a chunky yarn. This is a size 6 chunky yarn with a size N hook, but you may need more or less chains depending on the size of your yarn. So if you're using something even chunkier than this, then you'll need fewer than 18 chains. And if you're using something skinnier, you'll need more chains, but you can kind of measure as you go to see how long you need your bracelet. Once you have the right number of chains so that your bracelet will wrap around your wrist at a size that is comfortable for you, we are going to slip stitch into the very first chain that we made. So what you want to do is kind of curl your bracelet around so that you're back to that very first chain that you made. And you want to make sure not to twist your bracelet unless that's the look you're going for. But my bracelet is not going to be twisted, and so I'm simply slip stitching into the very first chain that I made. So I'll just insert my hook into that first chain and yarn over and then pull through that chain and the loop on my hook. And now our bracelet is pretty much finished. Now we just need to finish it off. So we can cut our yarn and then we'll pull out that little loop that is on our hook. And now I'm simply going to knot these two ends together. So I'm going to do a little square knot to make sure that my bracelet is nice and secured. And once I've got a nice, really secure knot, I'm going to go ahead and just cut those ends off. If you prefer, you can weave the ends in, but my knot is nice and secure, so I'm just going to chop those ends. You can see the bracelet is a little stretchy, so you can easily slide it on and off your wrist. And that is all there is to it. In about a minute, you have a really cute, chunky crochet chain bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one.